Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted guide to consumer rights, awareness, and empowerment and education. Today we will talk about impact of precision calibration on the trade of volumetric laboratory glassware around the world, which is a cornerstone of scientific research, industry quality control, and educational laboratory practices. Beakers, burettes, pipettes, and volumetric flasks are indispensable in analytical chemistry, pharmaceutical testing, and countless other applications. For these tools to be effective, they must provide precise and accurate measurements. This is where precision calibration comes into play. Precision calibration not only ensures the functionality and reliability of glassware but also significantly impacts its trade and distribution globally. Now, we delve into how precision calibration shapes the international trade of volumetric laboratory glassware. Before going ahead and further discuss, please comment, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon to motivate us. Understanding precision calibration. Precision calibration is the process of verifying and adjusting laboratory instruments to ensure they measure accurately against a defined standard. Calibration standards are often traceable to international standards maintained by organizations such as the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, or the International Organization for Standardization, ISO. The primary objective of precision calibration is to reduce measurement uncertainty, thus ensuring reliable results in scientific and industrial applications. For volumetric glassware, precision calibration involves measuring the actual capacity of the item against its nominal capacity. This is typically done using gravimetric methods, where water of a known density and temperature is used. The process requires sophisticated equipment and highly controlled conditions, underscoring its importance in ensuring the reliability of laboratory glassware. Importance of precision calibration in international trade are: the trade of volumetric laboratory glassware is a global enterprise. Manufacturers and distributors operate across international markets, and their products must meet the diverse regulatory and quality standards of different countries. Precision calibration plays a critical role in facilitating this trade by calibration ensures that glassware meets globally recognized standards, enabling products from one country to be accepted in another without additional testing. This standardization is vital in international markets where consistent quality is a prerequisite. Reliable calibration certificates serve as proof of quality and accuracy. These certificates enhance buyer confidence, particularly for laboratories conducting high-stakes research or quality control. Compliance with international calibration standards, such as ISO 8655 for piston-operated volumetric apparatus or ISO 4787 for volumetric glassware, ensures seamless trade by reducing technical barriers. Manufacturers that invest in precision calibration often gain a competitive edge. Their products are seen as more reliable, opening doors to premium markets and long-term contracts. Regional perspectives on calibration and trade are: the impact of precision calibration on the trade of volumetric glassware varies across regions, influenced by local regulations, technological advancements, and market dynamics. The United States and Canada are major markets for laboratory glassware, driven by robust pharmaceutical, biotech, and research sectors. Precision calibration is heavily regulated, with NIST traceable standards being a baseline requirement. Many North American companies also export glassware globally, leveraging precision calibration as a selling point. European countries have long been leaders in laboratory glassware production. Germany, in particular, is renowned for its high-quality glassware. The region's stringent calibration requirements, governed by ISO and European norm (AN) standards, have set a global benchmark. This has allowed European manufacturers to dominate the premium market segment. The Asia-Pacific region is a growing hub for laboratory glassware manufacturing, with countries like China and India playing significant roles. While these countries excel in mass production, there has been a noticeable shift toward higher precision and compliance with international calibration standards to capture global market share. In developing regions, precision calibration is often underdeveloped due to limited infrastructure and expertise. However, as these economies integrate into global supply chains, the demand for calibrated glassware is rising, leading to partnerships with international calibration service providers. Technological advancements in calibration methods and equipment have profoundly impacted the trade of laboratory glassware. These innovations include automated calibration systems. Automation has increased the speed and accuracy of calibration, enabling manufacturers to scale operations without compromising quality. This has been particularly beneficial for large-scale exporters. The adoption of digital calibration certificates has simplified trade documentation and enhanced transparency. Buyers can now verify calibration records online, reducing delays in international shipments. Integration of sensors and digital interfaces in volumetric glassware has emerged as a trend. These smart tools require precise calibration to ensure their added functionalities, such as real-time measurement, align with traditional accuracy standards. Artificial intelligence and data analytics are being used to predict calibration intervals and optimize the process. This ensures that glassware remains accurate over its life cycle, further reinforcing trust in its reliability. Challenges in precision calibration and trade are: while precision calibration offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges that impact global trade. Precision calibration is resource-intensive, requiring skilled personnel and advanced equipment. This can increase the cost of glassware, particularly for manufacturers in developing economies. Variability in calibration standards across countries can create barriers. Harmonizing these standards remains a challenge for international trade. The proliferation of counterfeit calibration certificates undermines trust in international markets. Ensuring the authenticity of these documents is a persistent issue. Calibration processes are sensitive to environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity. Maintaining these conditions consistently is difficult, particularly for manufacturers in regions with extreme climates. The role of precision calibration in the trade of volumetric laboratory glassware is poised to grow in importance. As industries demand higher accuracy and regulatory scrutiny increases, manufacturers and exporters will need to invest more heavily in calibration technologies and infrastructure. Key trends likely to shape the future include: efforts to harmonize calibration standards will continue, driven by organizations like ISO and the International Laboratory Accreditation Corporation (ILAC). Calibration processes will increasingly incorporate sustainable practices, such as reducing water and energy usage, to align with global environmental goals. Integration of IoT, the Internet of Things (IoT), will enable real-time monitoring of glassware accuracy, enhancing calibration efficiency and reducing downtime. As demand for calibrated glassware rises, third-party calibration service providers will expand their reach, particularly in developing economies. Precision calibration is more than a technical necessity. It is a linchpin in the global trade of volumetric laboratory glassware. By ensuring accuracy, fostering trust, and facilitating compliance with international standards, calibration underpins the reliability and marketability of these essential tools. As technology advances and global trade becomes increasingly interconnected, the importance of precision calibration will only grow, shaping the future of laboratory glassware on a worldwide scale. If you like our video to motivate us, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times for more insightful content that empowers you as a consumer.